Today I'm replacing the high pressure fuel pump on a 2.0 turbo VW engine, which is located right here on the engine. And first I'm going to unclip and remove the plug for the mass airflow sensor. There's a little tab right here. You need to pull it up. You'll hear a little click, and then you can remove that, put it over to the side. And similarly, the plug here for the pump underneath the bottom here, it's the same type of clip. You have to pull that. When you hear the click, pull it out, set it to the side. And then I have already done this with the pliers for the fuel line clip by moving that clip and sliding it back and wiggling this line off. And watch out, fuel may squirt out of this because it's under pressure. You can take a sharp rag and place it underneath this here because you're going to lose some fuel. And make sure you're wearing some goggles because sometimes when you pull this off, the fuel will squirt out and get in your eyes. Okay, I've already released the pressure. So I'm just showing you how you pull it out. You wiggle it and you see some fuel came out of there. Once you have that off, I like to do this before loosening the pump because the pump is locked onto the engine and you don't want it wiggling around while you do this. Once I've done that, I remove the clamp here with the same clamp hose clamp remover, and then pull this out of there like that. And over here is a T30 torque to loosen that, and the box should come right out. It's always a good idea to spray over here. Right down in here is another lockdown for the air box. It's just a press fit. So if you spray a little WD-40 on it, that will pop up pretty easily. Once that's done, you can pull this air box out of the way. As you can see, there is another press fit right onto here. So once you loosen this screw over here on this side, you will encounter a little resistance. So just pull that box up and it comes out easily. With that said, now I'm going to use the T30. There's only 2 screws that hold this pump on. Get you some light. One is right here, and the other is down on the bottom, down in here. So what you want to do first is loosen the metal fuel line, which is down right there, as you can see. This fuel line, that's a 17mm wrench to break that nut. And once you have done that and unscrew that, then you go ahead and loosen the 2 T30. Okay, I have already broken this nut loose simply by sticking the wrench down in here and turning it and loosen that nut. Now I can unscrew this nut. Okay, and free up the line. Once I've done that, I'm going to loosen the 2 T30. And it's best to loosen them a little bit at a time. Don't take it out completely. Loosen one and then go back and loosen the other a little and keep going back and forth until you're done, because this is spring loaded. It's best to try not to jam up anything. Okay, I've cracked these loose. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen them a little at a time until I get the pump out. little difficult working with one hand and recording with the other hand, but we'll get the job done. Go down bottom, hit that a little bit.